Hey everyone, welcome to this wireframing tutorial. Today, we're going to wireframe a laundry service website using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. To begin, let's start by dragging and dropping the browser frame, which will act as the background. Then, add an image placeholder for the logo. After that, add the menu bar to act as the header. It can be customized. You can also add icons in the header by clicking Assign Icon, choosing and selecting the icons, followed by adding a button component for the CTA. Moving on, let's design the hero section. Add an image placeholder for the background, then include a title, a short description, and a CTA using the button component along with an icon. This section should quickly tell users what the service is about. Following that, let's add the customer logo section by adding a title and image placeholders. From here, let's move to the About Us section. Start by adding an image placeholder, followed by the section title, heading, and a small description. Then, add a goals section within it, use a rectangle as the background, add the title and a small description. And include a button labeled Explore Services. Continuing, let's add the How It Works section. Start by adding a rectangle as the background and customizing it. Then add the title, heading, small description, and a CTA button. Below that, add rectangles for each step. Include the step name and a small description, and repeat the same for the other steps. Building on that, let's create the Services section. Start with a heading and a small description, add a CTA button. Then include an image placeholder along with the service title and description. Reuse the same layout for the remaining services. After that, let's move on to the pricing section. Start with a heading, title, and small description. Then add pricing plans using rectangles as the background. Include the title, pricing, key points, and the plan name at the top. Reuse and customize it for the other plans. In the next step, let's add the testimonial section. Start by adding a rectangle as the background, then include an image placeholder, the section title, and a small description. Add rectangles for testimonials with feedback text and keep the design clean. Shifting focus, let's create the blog section. Add the title, heading, small description, and a CTA view all tips. Reuse the service's layout and customize it by adding the date and blog title, and repeat it for other blogs. At this stage, let's move to the lead generation section. Add a background and title with a short description. Then include a strong primary CTA and a secondary option. This section is focused on conversions, so keep it clear and action-driven. Wrapping up the layout, let's design the footer section. Add the logo, contact details, useful links, and a simple subscribe field. This helps users navigate and stay connected. Finally, let's add the remaining footer menus. Start with a title, then use the list component for menu items and customize it. Repeat the same for other sections, and add the copyright text. Once everything is done, align the design. To complete the design, add images to the placeholders using the quick toolbar and uploaded assets. Once everything is done, your laundry website wireframe is ready inside MockFlow Wireframe Pro. That's your complete laundry service website wireframe. You can now refine it, customize the details, and take it further into a polished design or even a working product.